Okay, here we go, stepping into the living room. There's the kitchen area. That's just dirt. That'll get cleaned off.
Yeah, that's just gonna crud there.
Yep.
Cause I think that thing run for about 2 months before I ever realized it was still running and we wasn't up here. You know what I mean?
Wow. And there's some roof leaks throughout the house. And this is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath.
Yep.
Here's the laundry area. Back door, you can see more of the roof issue. There's the kitchen countertop. This is a bedroom that was used as a storage, converted to a storage room. There's subfloor here and roof leak up here. It's got a closet so it's easy to convert back. Coming into the master. More roof issues. Here's the closet. Check to see if there's a data plate in here somewhere. Don't see one.
Look into your stuff, right?
More roof. Coming into the bathroom.
These are almost all bedded.
Cabinets, toilets, floors feel good in here. The tub's in good shape.
I used to have those.
No issues.
Sophie, get back outside, baby. Man's busy.
I'm trying to look.
That was the granddaughter, by the way.
Huh?
Just to let everybody know that was the granddaughter.
You gotta be very careful. You might be holes in the floor. Like, there's moles everywhere.
Oh my. But, when I first got it, when a fellow was working on it, this right here was a wall. I got him to cut that out and tile that. He made that, and we enjoyed that right there, having it. It just made it look so much bigger than this solid wall.
Yeah.
Right there. I think it can be fixed back up pretty nice, don't you?
Yeah, we'll fix it up nice.
I miss my own room.
Sophie, you're hard-headed this thing. Get out of this trailer. Get now. Outside, it's too hot in here for you anyway.
It is hot in here. All this carpet to pull up, that's always fun.
Oh, please. You play golf?
I used to.
You ever played at Ponderosa?
I used to play at Hidden Valley from time to time.
Yeah. My daddy started at Ponderosa that day. I still got, he left me a bunch of land. We still selling lots and stuff out there.
Yeah.
They bought their land in like 1958.
That's a long time to have some land.
But the toilet still flush?
Spiders seem to like it.
And I think there's some damn rats up here too.
Wouldn't surprise me.
I think there's rats.
Okay. We got the inside pretty good,
I think there is too.
so we can get out of the sauna.
Alright. You don't need to come back in here.
No.